Welcome back to Code Hive, the place where we make it work, make it right, and make it fast. So, I've actually been receiving so many requests from some of you guys saying that I haven't really uploaded a video where I actually install the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So, what should you use? How do you install it, right? So, I actually realized that it should have been the first video that I uploaded, but it kind of slipped my mind. But here we are right now. So, I'm quickly going to go through the process of actually installing the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to your browser, right? So when you're there, you just need to search SQL Server. Okay. So once you've searched for SQL Server, you will need to look for this one over here. It says SQL Server Downloads, right? So this is the one that you're going to click. Okay, so once you've clicked that and once you're in that page, right, this is what you will see. So you're just going to scroll down, and you're going to see a part where it says, or download a free specialized edition. So there's a developer and there's an express. So what we want is the express, right? So you're going to select download now under the express, and it should be able to take you to a location where you want to download, and then you're just going to say save and let it download. So once it's done downloading, you're going to go to the location where you saved it and you're just going to open it. Okay, so it will ask you this: do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You'll just click on yes. Then it will take you to the screen. So it just says the SQL Server 2022 Express Edition, and you have to select an installation type. So there's three types. There's the basic, the custom, and download media. So I just use the basic, right, because it's just the SQL Server database engine with default configuration. So you're just going to select the basic, right, and then you will accept all the terms and conditions, and then we select the location, and then you click on install. So this might take a while to install, so you're just going to have to wait for it. Okay, so once it's done installing and it's completed successfully, you will see all this information over here. So you don't have to change anything. Everything is just fine the way it is, right? So what you're going to do now is you're going to select where it says install SSMS, right? So you're just going to select that and it will take you to your browser, right? So once you are redirected there, you're just going to scroll down and then you will see where it says download SSMS. So they will say free download for SQL Server Management Studio, and then you're just going to click over there, and then it will ask you where you want to save it, and you're just going to save it. So you're going to see it downloading over there. Okay, so once the SSMS is done downloading, right, you're just going to go to where you've downloaded it, which is here. You're just going to double click. So once the packages are done and it's loading, then this is the screen that you will see where it shows the package progress as well as the overall progress. So you just have to wait for it to load. Okay, so that might have taken at least 10 to 25 minutes to finish. So now once the SSMS has been done, right, it will say that all specified components have been installed successfully. So if we just close that and you just want to search for SQL, right, and you just search for your SQL Server Management Studio 18. So if you just open that, okay, so once you've opened that, this will pop up, right, and it will be opening. Okay, and then it will have everything over there ready for you. So going to use the Windows authentication. So everything just stays the same. If this was not Windows authentication, then you just make sure that you select Windows authentication and you just say connect. Once it is done connecting, then it will show you, or it should show you, the database over here. Okay, so everything is there. So to check if it's working, right, you just create a new database, for example, just to see that it is connected to a server. So simple create database and then the database name. So let me just say test DB, and if we execute that part, then it should be connected. So that is how you set up your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio.